Hi Year 11, this is just a quick go over on taxation, how to use the tax table. This has come, you've got this because in your test it showed that you need a little bit more practice at using it. So let's have a look at the table to start with. On this side are the taxable incomes. So remember, that's your gross income. Take away any deductions that you can have. On this side are the rules for working out your tax, and as you can see, it's not a constant rate. We have more tax, like 30 cents in the dollar, so 30%, 37%, and ending up with 45%, depending on how much you earn. So it's a variable rate. Let's look at how we do this by taking a problem. So I've got Christian has a taxable income of $85,000 per year. Alright, so with this little bit of money here, we're going to look and see which bracket he's in. So each of these lines is a tax bracket. And $85,000 a year, that means he ends up in this $80,000 to $180,000. So once we've found the bracket, the only bit of this table that we need to look at is this bit here. So this guy's got to pay $17,550, and that's the maximum that anybody in this bracket will pay. So they've already worked that out, taking account of that, plus 37 cents for each dollar over 80,000. So the first thing we need to do is find out how much over 80,000 Christian is using. So if we look at his work, we've got $85,000, take away the 80,000, and this equals $5,000. And because it's money, I need to do what I've been telling you guys to do and put $sign in. Okay, so now that we've got that $5,000, we have to find out how much he's going to pay for each dollar. And it's 37 cents. So we're going to start with 5,000 times, instead of writing 37, because that would come up as $37, I'm going to put 0.37, and that equals $1,850. Good idea is to be trying to do this with me so that you get used to what we're doing. Alright, so that's not the end, and this is where some people came stuck, because you did that bit really beautifully. But we haven't accounted for this extra $17,550. So our final step is to take that $1,850 and add the $17,550 that he's already been taxed on from the original rates. Okay, and that answer is, oops, should be an equals. So when we do that, we get $19,400 in tax. It's a lot of money, isn't it? Okay, so that is how we use our tax tables. 3 steps. Work out which bracket, find out how much over the limit they are, that lower limit they are, times it by the number of cents per dollar. Remember to put it into decimals, then add that extra bit just there, and you'll get, that's how much he gets taxed. All the questions. Question B says, calculate the Medicare levy for Christian if he's in a private health fund. Well, it's the same as if you're not. So for Christian, we need his taxable income, which is $85,000. And then his Medicare levy is going to be 1.5% of his taxable income. And just plug that straight into your calculator, and we find that he has to pay an extra $1,275 Medicare levy. Okay, so now we've done that. Have we finished it yet? Of course not. Calculate Christian's total tax for the year. And this is another bit that got a few people into a spot of bother. His total tax will then be the original $19,400 plus his Medicare levy of $1,275, and that, and that will equal $20,675. Okay, and that's all of it. Hope this has helped you. So in your homework, once you've seen this on Classroom, there should be some questions for you to answer and to hand in for your weekly assignment. Okay, thanks for watching.